In this video, I would like to give you a couple of advice before you leave this course. So the first advice that I want to give you is this. Please remember the rule that we talked about. And this one is the profit margin times the sales equals the maximum profit. So what exactly did that mean? Well, we talked about product 1 and product 2. We had on one hand a product which had a high profit margin but a low number of sales, and on the other hand we had a product number 2 which had a very low profit margin but a very high number of sales. So remember, the one product had $10 profit margin and 100 sales, and the other one had $5 profit margin and 500 sales. In the end, we figured out that it is not really about the profit margin, it is rather about the ratio. It is about really the ratio and the product of a profit margin times sales. So when you take, for instance, 500 times 5, so 500 sales times $5 as a profit margin, you get $2,500. But if you take a product of $10, which has a $10 profit margin, times 100, you're going to end up at $1,000 in profit. Well, both is good, both is a positive number, but what you want to make sure is just simply that you generate as much money as possible with your sales. And in this case now, it is definitely product number 2. So just remember this formula: profit margin times sales equals the maximum profit. Then number 2, sell as many products as possible. You always want to make sure that you list as many products as possible, that you use, for instance, AliExpress or Amazon in order to import your products and to host them or to list them on the Facebook Marketplace. Then number 3, figure out how you will do marketing. So how exactly are you going to promote your products? Is it over Pinterest? Is it on Medium? Is it through Facebook ads? Is it perhaps through word of mouth? What kind of strategies would you like to implement in order to sell your products? Then number 4, review this course as often as you can. I just want to remind you that you have a lifelong access to this course. So if you have any questions, you can message me at any given time. And if you want to review some lectures in this course, just go back into this course, watch the lectures again, and if there's anything else you would like to add, something you would like to know, I'll be here for you. And of course then, number 5, don't be lazy and execute. Start with your business today. Make sure that you add products, make sure that you identify them on AliExpress, that you know exactly how to import products, review the course, make sure you know what you're doing, and then execute, 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 execute.